So I'm gonna taste this now, guys. Lovely, beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a mango pineapple smoothie. So I have in this bowl banana, one ripe banana cut up, couple slices of mangoes and pineapple cut up. I have 2 tablespoons of almond milk, and I have a 3/4 glass of water, and I have my blender. So I'm gonna get started. So this is gonna be epic, guys. So guys, before I get started, remember to like all my videos, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to leave me comments, let me hear what you're thinking about my channel. You can also leave me a comment on what you would like to see me prepare. Okay guys, so let's get right into the video. So I have my blender ready, so I'm gonna add the fruits. I'm gonna add my fruits to the blender. Almond milk. So guys, you can use coconut water or orange juice, anything you prefer, anything you feel like, or anything you have in your fridge, you can use it to make this smoothie. I'm gonna add my water. I'm gonna cover this now. And I'm going to blend. And there you have it, guys, all done. So I'm gonna glass this now. It's nice tropical smoothie, guys. Tropical fruit smoothie. So let me glass this for you. Put this aside. Glass this now. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at it, looking so lovely. I'm gonna taste this now, guys. Lovely, beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Go ahead and try this smoothie. You will love it. They are tropical fruits, pineapple, mango, and banana. You can substitute the milk, the almond milk, for orange juice, coconut water, whatever you have in your fridge, and you can go ahead and make this smoothie. Okay guys, it tastes delicious. All right, you can have this for lunch, breakfast, or even for dinner. So go ahead, try this smoothie out. If you don't like the fruits, go ahead and make and drink your fruits. Nothing is wrong with that. Okay guys, go ahead and try it. Ooh, so lovely, guys. Ooh, so lovely. You Yes guys, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this smoothie. Okay guys, so until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching guys.